Imagine this. You have several images saved on your computer, maybe scanned documents, certificates, receipts, or assignment pages. Now you need to send them to someone, upload them to a website, or submit them online. But there's one problem. The website only accepts PDF files, not individual images. So you start searching. How do I convert images into a PDF? Do I need expensive software? Is there a quick and easy way to do it on my PC? The good news is, you can do it in just a few clicks. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to convert one or multiple images into a PDF file on your computer quickly and easily. So, if you're ready to save time and create professional PDF documents, let's get started. First of all, open any browser and search for I love PDF. Then go to this ilovepdf.com website. Now here, scroll down. You will find an option JPG to PDF. Click on it. After that, click on Select JPG Images. Although it says JPG Images, you can still use all types of images for making a PDF. So now choose your images and click on Open. After that, from there you can choose page orientation, portrait, or landscape. I'm going to choose landscape. Scroll down a little bit. From there you can choose page size. I'm going to keep it as A4. Then you can also add margin from there. Make sure this box is checked. After that, finally click on Convert to PDF. Now wait for a few seconds. That's it. Your PDF file is ready. Just click on Download PDF. So friends, this is how you can easily turn your JPG or PNG images into a PDF file. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.